Extreem Hemo Z. Related to triple, Gaspar and Sterrenhof Stante. In the pedigree of Extreem Hemo Z, we find top progenitor Emerald van Ruytershof combined with the half-sister of the International Grand Prix mare Triple ridden by Michel Hendricks. Grand Dam Jante is also the dam of the international sport and breeding stallion No Limit, and Giampiero Garofalo's successful Grand Prix stallion Gaspar traces back to her as well. Another outstanding horse out of the direct dam line of Extreem Hemo Z is the Grand Prix winning mare Sterrenhof Stante, who competed in the Olympic Games of Tokyo with Mark Outsacher.